Hey guys, David here and welcome to Digital Outlook. Guys, in today's video, open interest in XRP Skyrockets. So guys, let's get to it. So guys, right at the start of the video, I'm going to ask as we go through it, if you would just hit that like button, get this algorithm pushing this thing out to as many folks as possible. Guys, something remarkable has happened just today. In fact, it is record breaking considering where we are with all of this SEC buzz and all the scare. Guys, the open interest for XRP has absolutely exploded. Now, just take a look at this article right over here. Open interest in XRP skyrockets to record 1 billion amid excitement over Ripple's upcoming stablecoin launch. Listen to this. Rising open interest in XRP has crypto watchers optimistic that the crypto's protracted downtrend is nearing its end. XRP's open interest recently jumped to over $1 billion, leading to speculations over whether a huge price jump is in the next probable move. Notably, the skyrocketing open interest comes amid rising expectations for Ripple's upcoming RLUSD stablecoin that is currently being tested in private beta on the XRP ledger and Ethereum. Ripple affiliated XRP has seen a rise in future trades, hedging their bets on the asset's price. There's presently high optimism surrounding XRP amid key developments in the Ripple ecosystem, including minting massive amounts of RLUSD. And right there, 480,000 RLUSD has been minted at the Treasury. Now listen to this. The minting could suggest that the testing phase might conclude or proceed into a more active deployment phase, which has sparked buzz around the forthcoming US dollar-backed stablecoin. Ripple has previously reiterated its commitment to using both XRP and RLUSD. Guys, that is a major source right there where we get a lot of FUD, where people are saying, oh, well, they're going to dump XRP for RLUSD. Guys, not happening. In fact, Brad Garlinghouse has said, if you're thinking that, you're missing the plot. RLUSD is going to really provide some major liquidity for XRP. Now, for international settlements, they're using both, quashing rumors that the San Francisco-based company would abandon XRP to focus on its new stablecoin fully. According to CoinGlass data, open interest in XRP recently jumped to over 1 billion. The last time XRP's open interest reached these levels was in March and June of last year. Open interest refers to the total number of derivative contracts that have not been settled, such as options or futures. A surge in open interest implies greater confidence among traders in predicting XRP's price direction, whether up or down. Crypto exchange Bybit leads the charge with a positive XRP open interest of, get this, 319.59 million. Binance takes the second spot with 311 million in volume, while BitGet comes in third with 199 million. Guys, this is record breaking right here. The price of XRP has gained 2.2% in 24 hours to change hands for 53.56 cents as of press time, as Bitcoin rebounded back above 62,000. Isn't it interesting, guys? All the fuzzers that have come out there and said, oh, XRP is going to dive because of this whole SEC thing. Guys, not in your life. In fact, the fact that it's bouncing back and holding right around that prior resistance for support, and that also Bitcoin bounced back, because remember, these both fell around the same time and significantly. I think Bitcoin was over 66,000, dropped to 60,000. XRP was at 66 cents, dropped to what? 53 cents, 52 cents, something like that. Guys, it is amazing. Now, after the U.S. government, and this came after the U.S. government reported an additional 254,000 jobs in September, bringing the unemployment rate down to 4.1%. Following the strong economic report, Bitcoin surged by approximately 2.7. However, both cryptocurrencies have experienced declines over the past week, with Bitcoin down 5.5% and XRP down 9.1%. Well, they have bounced back. Now, analysts have suggested that the market sentiment around XRP has been largely positive. Did you hear that? Even with this whole SEC appeal and all that's going on, they point to technical and fundamental factors like a breakout from a symmetrical triangle, a potential spot XRP ETF, and other bullish indicators suggesting strong momentum for further XRP price growth. Well, guys, just check this article out. Expert says that SEC appeal is a sell trap and predicts XRP to $4.23 right now, right here in the near term. Now, market expert Bobby A argues that the appeal notice from the U.S. Securities and Exchange Commission is not a sign of a prolonged XRP price depreciation, as macro charts remain bullish for XRP. And this is where, guys, you can't believe the FUD. A lot of them saying, oh, it's just going to dive down to 40, 30 cents, and then it's going to be dead. What a load of baloney. Listen here. XRP, the seventh largest crypto asset by market cap, saw a notable price correction, of course, following the SEC's notice of appeal on the final decision by Judge Annalisa Torres. Now, guys, it happened, interestingly enough, at the same time that Bitcoin fell. Bitcoin fell 5.5%. Do you think XRP was the only digital asset that fell 9% or something like that? No, it wasn't. When Bitcoin sneezes, altcoins get a cold. Isn't that how it works? Guys, it's nothing but normal right here. Now, however, experienced market analyst Bobby A has implied that investors sell the news disposition is why most miss good market opportunities. In a tweet on Thursday, the analyst maintained that the XRP chart has not flipped bearish, as indicators still point to an impending market uptrend. Bobby A cited historical events to support his assertion that XRP would surge regardless of the SEC appeal. He noted that the XRP Ledger native token appreciated 1,772% in 2020 when the securities watchdog sued Ripple and branded XRP a security. For context, XRP pulled a 1,772% bullish uptick from 11 cents to the cycle peak of $1.95. In fact, guys, that was at the beginning of the year. But when the SEC dropped their lawsuit, it only dropped down to 17.48 cents and literally went as high as $1.97. And that was despite the regulatory uncertainty surrounding the coin on the back of the SEC's charges. Now, notably, Bobby A argued that the XRP ETF ETH and the XRP BTC charts look decent, and the worst news comes at the bottom. Meanwhile, Bobby A cited a bullish technical analysis that could propel XRP's price by 803% to $4.23 a coin. Now, guys, I want to point something out. When that SEC lawsuit was first dropped on it, you know what happened? Well, of course, XRP dropped into 17.48 cents. It did a 1,200% move. This is only an 800% move from where we are. Guys, I think there's a lot of steam left in this engine, that is for sure. Now, he shared a chart showing that XRP has been consolidating sideways and building a macro base since 2017. And where have we heard that before? Guys, multiplicity of technical analysts have been coming out and comparing to what we're seeing to what happened there in 2017. Now, according to the monthly chart, XRP has historically swung upwards during the cyclical rotation of the momentum oscillator post Bitcoin's halving. Now, a lot of people put a lot of stock in that. Guys, I've seen it happen at time frames when they said it was actually going to be months after the fact, and it just fired off way sooner than what a lot of people thought. Notably, the analysts implied that the price action would soon kick in. Bobby A argued that this cycle closely mirrors boom again the 2016-2017 bull cycle as the XRP price is tightly wound around all essential indicators in the monthly chart, including the moving average and Bollinger Bands. And guys, we can keep on going back down here, but look at what we're talking about over here. This is something I wanted to point out. XRP traders see the SEC appeal as the final shakeout before recovery. Now, just listen to a little bit right here. On Wednesday, of course, well, let's just follow up in the highlighted stuff here. Ripple's XRP price fell from 63 to 52 earlier this week due to another regulatory battle with the US SEC. Well, guys, I don't necessarily think it was all due to what came out with the appeal. Sure, some of it was, but it was a correction market-wide for this digital asset space. However, traders in the derivatives market seem to believe that this is a temporary setback rather than a long-term barrier as they held positions predicting a bounce for the altcoin. Whether it's true or false, the analysis examines the reasons behind this sentiment and what could be next for XRP. On Wednesday, the U.S. Securities and Exchange Commission filed an appeal challenging XRP's non-security status. No, they did not. In fact, what they did is they filed a notice of appeal, but have not given a disclosure as to what, in fact, they are appealing, which had been declared in the court in July 2023. Now, shortly after the announcement, XRP's price dropped, wiping out a significant portion of its recent gains, and it happened at the same time that Bitcoin was falling. That's why I don't think this narrative that it's all because of the SEC's appeal that we saw a big drop. Maybe that was certainly a part of it, but we saw a drop market-wide, and it was coming down anyway. While traders initially panicked and opted to shorten the token, the data from CoinGlass shows that things have now changed. According to the Derivatives Information Portal, XRP's long-short ratio has risen to 2.10. This ratio shows that whether more traders are holding long positions than short. When the reading is less than 1, it means more traders are opting to go short, suggesting a bearish sentiment. On the other hand, readings higher than 1 indicate a dominance of long positions, and that's what's happening. These are major amounts. I mean, you got $1 billion in open interest, and that's saying, hey, look, we're looking at holding long. 2.10, that is major, major, major. In XRP's case, 67.75 of traders are taking long positions, while only 32.25 have opted for short positions. This suggests that a majority of traders anticipate a rise in XRP's value once the discussion surrounding the SEC appeals subside. Furthermore, the liquidation heat map, which identifies high areas of liquidity, seems to agree with this bias. In short, the liquidation heat map shows price levels where high-scale liquidations might occur. It also helps traders to find the best liquidity positions. Specifically, if the color ranges from purple to yellow, then there is a high concentration of liquidity at that point, and the price might move in that direction. For XRP, these regions are between 62 and 63 cents. As such, the altcoin's value might soon experience a bounce toward these levels. Guys, don't let them shake you out. Don't be chum for these whales and sharks, guys, because that's all it is. It's FUD, FUD, FUD. And when you literally are seeing that kind of open interest, record-breaking open interest in the longs on the derivatives market for XRP, guys, I'm telling you what, for me, it does nothing but make me more and more bullish. And I'll tell you what, Judy and I, should we see opportunity, are we ever going to take it? Got that ticket, cannot wait to see this thing literally fly right through the atmosphere. So guys, so many people have told me, David, I thought I had my plan in place until we talked. And what our coaching program offers, that is where you and I can meet personally one-on-one for 1 hour over Zoom. And during that time, I share with you our personal journey in that last bull run and what enabled Judy and I to experience some amazing financial success. I share with you the mistakes we made so that you don't have to fall into the same pitfalls we did. We take a look at your portfolio and make sure that it's balanced towards your goals, and we work together to develop your exit strategy. We can even get your assets off an exchange and onto a hardware wallet, along with delivering to you some amazing techniques that are really going to help you in this space. Now, the cost of that is $250, and if that's something that interests you, you write me right there at coaching@thedigitaloutlook.com and we'll get you all booked in. So guys, I truly hope that you enjoyed today's video, and as always, it's not financial advice, it's just my 2 cents. Hit the like and subscribe and drop your comments right down there in the comment section, and I'll catch you in the next one.